everybody! Welcome to Kritin and Rihaan. So remember to like, share and subscribe. Let's get started! The cap seller and the monkeys. Once upon a time, there lived a cap seller in a village. One day he was going to sell his caps in a village market. On his way, he had to go to a forest. It was a hot day and he got tired walking in the heat of the sun. So he lay down under a tree to take rest. He put his basket full of different colors of caps on the ground and fell asleep quickly. There lived many monkeys on the branches of that tree. When the cap seller was sleeping, the monkeys came down the tree, picked up the caps from the baskets, and climbed back up the tree. When the cap seller woke up, he was horrified to see his basket empty. When he looked up, he saw the monkey sitting on the branches, wearing his caps. He shouted at the monkeys, and monkeys yelled at him back. He understood that the monkeys are good imitators. So he took off his cap and threw it on the ground. The monkeys also threw all the caps on the ground. The clever cap seller collected all the caps, put them back into his baskets, and went on his way. The moral of the story is, clever thinking can easily solve a problem. That is it, everybody. So bye! And remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next time.